this is Carrie, Fullerton Professional Organizing, and today we're talking about Hailey, and these names are really hard for me. Besnell, I'm not sure how she pronounced her name, Becnel, but she's talking about how suggestions she has for cleaning your kitchen and some deep cleaning tips as well. And so we're going to go in. The first thing she says that she wants people to do, and then we're going to go over what she does. But these are things that you can do because your kitchen is going to be different. Yours may have windows, hers may not have windows. Your kitchen may have things that she doesn't have in hers, so your lists are going to be a little bit different. And so the first thing she says to do is to create a short list of daily tasks, 3 to 5 tasks that you need to do and that you will get done every single day without question. Okay. And then second, she says, ask family members to help. Assign tasks with an awards system for those that are helping keep the house tidy on a daily basis. And do 1 load of laundry a day from start to finish. I suggest assigning each family member a day, and if you're the one that has to do the laundry for each individual, then only do one individual's load of laundry once a week. You can assign a day of the week to each family member and just do that person's laundry, even if it's a small load. Our washing machines have small load, medium load, and large load settings, most of them, so you're not really going to be wasting any water or laundry detergent by doing a smaller load. But what that does is you're doing 1 load a week, and if you're only doing one person's, then you aren't spending the extra time separating the socks by individual, separating the clothes by individual. It's just faster. You just fold them, give them to that individual to put away, and it's done. Or it's just such a smaller amount of clothing that you can do a load, fold it in while you're taking it out of the dryer, and spend 5 minutes putting those items away. It definitely makes laundry so much faster and simpler to only stick to one individual's laundry. And also my addition is each child's sheets and towels get washed once a week in with their laundry, unless they're old enough to do their own and they have clothes that wrinkle and clothes that need to be lint free. Once they get older, they can do their own laundry, and if they have to do those in 2 separate loads, they can do that to keep the towel lint off of their clothes. But little children mostly only wear t-shirts and jeans, so you can throw in the towels and the sheets and their clothes all together and once a week, and it's done. And then as they're older, they can keep their lint-free clothes, their wrinkly clothes, whatever division amount they want to make with their clothes or have to make with their clothes can be done because they're older and they can take care of their own, and that's going to help you as well. All right. But back to, the kitchen and deep cleaning and stuff like that. All right. So now we're going to go to what she does. Her 4 tasks she completes daily is wiping down all her countertops and eating surfaces. These are her daily tasks. Loading the dishwasher and unloading the dishwasher. Decluttering and tidying her kitchen, just the light declutter and tidying. And then vacuuming and sweeping the kitchen. And then she divides up her kitchen into different zones or different areas. And now she has 10 areas that she divides hers up. But she says start at the top, like when you're dusting, you start at the top and dust down to the floor. You also work around the kitchen clockwise and do one section at a time. And you can also set a timer to, if you don't have a lot of time, you can just spend a little bit of time as you can, but deep cleaning takes a little extra time. So do one section at a time. Her kitchen is divided into 10 sections. And again, starting from the top of the cabinets down to the floor, she uses Murphy's oil soap for the fronts of the cabinets. Now, me, I have a Swiffer that I use for my floors. But Dollar Tree had a Dollar Tree version of the Swiffer, and they are $2. You buy the handle and now they're $1. Now they're $2.50 because you have to buy the handle and the mop part separate. But I buy those and put cleaning cloths on and use those to wash and scrub the fronts of my cabinets, because one, I don't have to bend over, and there's a long handle. I can reach the fronts of my cabinets, and it's just so much faster than hand wiping down the cabinets. And if you see a little spot that needs a little extra scrubbing, you have a little more leverage with a handle. That is what I use. And I just use I just spray down all of the fronts of my cabinets so that just kind of soaks in. But of course, you've got to use what protects your cabinets. And Murphy oil soap is what she uses because it protects the wood surfaces. On her stove, she uses Dawn Power Wash. I have just discovered the Dawn Power Wash. I even added bleach in it, so when I'm in the shower, I use that in the shower. And plus, you can use Dawn dish liquid and refill them with water and alcohol or bleach, just enough to where it starts coming out of the sprayer, and you can make your own refills. Deep clean by taking everything off of your countertops so that you can get every little corner, all the little grout, everything. Now, her schedule, once a week, she mops, cleans and disinfects sinks, tidies pantry and fridge, and wipes down all her appliances. Those are her once a week. Her daily, I forgot to mention her daily ones. Her daily ones were did I mention it? Yes, I already did the daily. Her daily was wipe down all counters and surfaces, load and unload dishwasher, declutter, vacuum, and sweep. And then her cleaning tips were to divide space into sections. Start at the top of the section and work your way down. Clean in a circle and work clockwise. Do not move to section 2 until section 1 is completely clean. Decide how long you want to spend cleaning a room and set a timer. And weekly task was mop the floors, clean and disinfect the sinks, evaluate the pantry and fridge, and do a quick tidy, wipe down appliances. All right, and then let's see, what does she say? What notes did I take here? Weekly. All right, and then her monthly tasks. She deep cleans all of her appliances, and then she does all the dusting again, and she washes her rugs and mats, and then she declutters inside the cabinets and drawers, because the first declutter that she does daily, that's just clutter that's just laying around clutter. All right, now let's do a little review. Hailey shares with us simple tips and changes we can make to have and maintain a clean kitchen. And she's on Instagram. Create a checklist on your phone to make it easy to remember what you need to do. Hailey says, I like to help people come up with routines that work for their household, whether you're a stay-at-home mom, you're a full-time worker, a part-time worker, you're single, you're married. I want to help you come up with a plan to maintain your home for your lifestyle and schedule. It doesn't matter what time of day you complete the daily tasks. It only matters that you take the time to do them every day. Products for counters and cabinets that she likes: Swiffer hand wipes, Murphy soap, and Wyman granite cleaner if you have granite countertops. Products for stovetops: Dawn power wash, paper towels, and I think this is overkill, but she also uses glass cleaner to take the if there's any streaks left from the cleaning. These lists should be adjusted to fit your home and your needs. Complete these 4 tasks daily. Wipe down all counters and surfaces, load and unload the dishwasher, declutter anything that doesn't belong in the kitchen, vacuum or sweep. Cleaning tips: divide your space into sections, start at the top and work down, clean in a circle working clockwise, set a timer, do not move on to the next session until the current one is complete. These tasks should be done once a week. Mop the floors, clean and disinfect the sinks, evaluate the pantry and refrigerator, wipe down the appliances, and check for smudges on the fronts of the cabinets. And monthly, we're going to end with this monthly task to complete: deep clean your appliances, dust cabinets and top of refrigerator, vacuum and wash rugs, and declutter the cabinets and drawers. And that is a big, those items will take a load off of you when keeping your kitchen clean and ready to go for Christmas and any time of the year, of course. But now's the time to really start concentrating on the deep cleaning for opening your home up to guests. And so that's why we tackled that today. All right, guys, I appreciate you. I thank you for stopping by and listening, and I will see you tomorrow on the next one. Thank you for watching.